Mark from Bel Air has a question about a foundation problem.
It's a 10-year-old concrete pier and beam home, Tom, over in Bel Air. And Mark writes, we're beginning to experience apparent upheaval or settling of our foundation. Some door frames have begun to stick, and we recently experienced this kind of buckling work on our woodwork. See where it's buckling down here on the bottom?
How about that?
Yeah, it's happening all over the place. So we're noting hairline sheetrock cracks, most of which are concentrated in the center of the home, which isn't good. So, Tom, should they be seeing upheaval and settling, or what can they do about this?
Settling and upheaval happen all the time. That little crack there is upheaval. It's pushing the wood up and making it bow like that. It's time to call a foundation repair company. And if you want to, now you can wait it out a little bit. We've had hurricane here in Houston, just so people watching everywhere else. Yep. Hurricane Harvey, which was super floods, and Houston really did well, by the way, as far as the community goes. We've had 2 snowstorms. We've had cold, freezing weather. This isn't typical for us.
Weird winter.
So the ground is doing all kinds of things. Now, if you want to wait it out for a year or even 6 months or a year, that's fine. If it stops, you can repair the damage, and hopefully you're okay. If it continues to get worse and you see signs like that, or you want to call somebody in to see what you think now, then do West Foundation Repair.
Well, it's a pier and beam house, right? So those piers are running down pretty deep.
I don't know. It could be a perimeter wall. It could be a beam with concrete blocks. It could be a lot of different things. So I don't know what the foundation is.
He says the cracks are in the center of the house, running toward the center. That sounds like the outside would be coming up, wouldn't it? Or
the outside could drop, making it look like the inside's going up. So that somebody's got to take a water level and just shoot the house. You got questions, you go ahead and send them to Tom. He'll answer them at HomeShowRadio.com. Of course, check our videos here and subscribe to our channel.